Hello Monica, hope this video finds you well. I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. So the importance of this video is one is to look at your website and see things you do to your website to increase your online presence, your revenue and your leads online. And then two is just to compare your website to local competitors' website and see if we could take some of those leads and traffic from that competitor. So I'll talk about three things: content, backlinks, and citations. You could use these things as on your own website, but if you want to talk about that or anything further, please feel free to reach out. And also, if you leave me a few lines of feedback on the actual video, that helps me making these videos. So let's talk about content. So in content, you need anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page, just depending on the competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout your website just to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So as you see here, you have a nice laid out website. I'll just focus on getting some more content on there, some more words, and that'll help your search power with Google. Now, speaking of Google, when someone types in a service or product or area, like if I was a consumer, I might type in drain cleaning, La Mesa, California. I know you guys provide that. Here's what typically comes up. Sometimes ads come up, and that's something you can invest in if you haven't already. A lot of people skip ads. These are map packs, and there you are right there. So good job there. I'll talk more about that. That's with citations. But we call these organics here. So the goal is to be on the first page of any kind of service you provide or area you serve, to be on that first page of Google. You know, because a good place to hide a dead body is on page 2 or 3 of Google. People just don't go there to search for a product. So the goal is to be on this first page. And a lot of times we skip the directories like Yelp and Angie's List because consumers will pick a local company if they're looking for a service or product. So the goal is to be number one, to try to beat out Roto Hero, but that's a big brand name. And we could go somewhere in the middle just to beat someone like a Drain Masters. I'll compare their website to yours and see if we could, compete and beat this person right here to be on that first page of Google. So if you get close to him or beat him, you're on that first page of Google, and that's the goal. So speaking of keywords, this is a tool. It's called Ahrefs. So here's your website domain right here, and here's your numbers right here. So right now you only have one keyword that's giving you some search volume. So, and that's Drains Incorporated, it's giving you search volume. And there's search volumes all the way up to 5,000. So I'll look at your local competitors and see if we could take some of those keywords and just put them into your website. So here's their website, Drain Masters Plumbing Company. So you see they have more content on here that's giving them that push volume, that search volume in Google. So you want to get closer to them. And here's their numbers for their website. Here's their URL. So they're using 61 keywords. So if you click on their keywords, and this is something that anybody could use, Drain Masters Plumbing. You could put that there. Even though they have Drain Masters in their name, you can still embed that into your website to give you that search volume. There's many more you could use. Think of all the services you use, all the areas you serve outside of La Mesa as well. You could put that in your website and just give you more search volume in that San Diego area. So next, we'll go back to your numbers here. Is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere where you find one website linked to another one, for instance, yours. And this could act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses that to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you. So think of it as like a popularity contest. The more backlinks wins. But keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. It's important to have other services, other websites that are like you to link back to you. It doesn't help if a dentist or a doctor's office links back to you. It just doesn't give you the trust power. So right now you only have 4 backlinks with 2 different reference domains. So also to increase your search power, I would increase your backlinks to your website as well. So comparing that to your local competitors, let's go back to them with Drain Masters Plumbing. They have 211 backlinks with 28 different reference domains. So the goal is to get closer to these numbers to get on that first page of Google when someone's trying to search drain cleaning in La Mesa. And then finally, there's citations. So some good news, you guys are in the citations. So this is where your business name, your number, address are shown exactly on your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this map pack, which you are already. So it's really important for local businesses, and this generates huge amounts of revenue, as you know. So the goal is to be in that top 3 or 4, sometimes there's 4 here, but stay in that top 2. You want to be right there. And to do that, continue with citations with directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB. There's hundreds of others, and social media accounts work great too. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So you're doing a good job in that, and you're outranking your competitors in La Mesa. So keep that up. So once your content, your backlinks, your citations, they all come together, you might start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at and why. So not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that will generate some pretty decent revenue for you. Also, there's many more keywords you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads. So this is what I do, and I'm creating this video to help you generate those leads online. So if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out. I can help you out with that with more information, or we talk about goals. I can do research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So again, if you leave a few lines of feedback for me on this video, that'll help me out. Again, my name is Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Much luck in your business. Have a great day.